mathematician. I am Mohini. So in our previous video we had solved first one and second one of exercise 1.1, where first one was all about telling whether the collection is a set or not, and the second problem was about writing the belongs to and not belongs to symbol, right? So today let us solve the third problem. Here they have given some problems in set builder form. We have to write it in roster form. So now let's see the first question. They have given that set A equal to x such that x is an integer and x lies between -3 and 7. So here, first, what do you mean by integers? As we already know, integers are the numbers which consist of all the negative numbers, 0, and all the positive numbers, right? And they have also given how many values does this x take? They have given -3 and 7. Is -3 and 7 included here? No, because they have not given equal to symbol, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. They have not mentioned it. They have given x is strictly greater than -3 and x is strictly less than 7. So what are all the numbers between -3 and 7? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are all the numbers from between -3 and 7. This is nothing but set A. So they have given set A in the set builder form. So they have asked us to write it in the roster form. So we have written it. So now moving on to the second question. Second question, they have given B equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So from where does the natural number start? We know that natural number equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? They have mentioned that it is a natural number less than 6. Is 6 included? No, because they have given less than 6. So what are the list of natural numbers that are less than 6? They are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your set B. So now let's see the third one. They have given that set C equal to x such that x is 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So we know that natural numbers starts from 1. So it keeps on going 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? So they have given that this set contains the elements of this set yavdu andre they are 2-digit natural numbers. So 2-digit natural numbers, it starts from 10, right? So 10, 11, 12 and so on. So what are those 2-digit numbers? Which are those 2-digit numbers? Which are the elements of this set andre? Those the sum of the 2 digits should be 8. For example, let's take a 2-digit number 17. So if you add these 2 digits, your sum should be 8. So 1 plus 7 equal to 8. So 17 is the element of the set C. So first element is 17. So if you observe which are the numbers whose sum is 8, we get that 26 and 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. If you observe, 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, right? So why can't we include 0, 8 in this set? Because see, 0 is a digit and 8 is also a digit. If we write 0, 8, it becomes a 2-digit. 8 itself is a single digit number. 0, 8 anta baradre, it becomes 2-digit. Why can't we include that in this set? It is because 08 is not considered a 2-digit. Mathematically, it is not considered a 2-digit number. Even though you write 08, it is considered as a single-digit number. Moving on to the fourth one, they have given that set D equal to X such that X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So what do you know about prime number? Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, right? So D is a set which contains those numbers as those prime numbers as its elements, which divides 60. So here simply we can do prime factorization method. So 60 is divisible by first prime number is 2 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So the first prime number is 2. 2 is also the only even prime number, right? So 2 30s are 60. Again 2, 30 is divisible by 2. 2 15s are 30. 15 is not divisible by 2. So 3 5s are 15. And 5 is not divisible by 3, so 5 1s are 5. So what are those elements in the set D? So set D equal to 2, 3 and 5, which are prime numbers and the divisors of 60. So now moving on to fifth one, we have given that set E equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So we have to just list those letters in the word trigonometry. So set E equal to trigonometryಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ letters ಬರುತ್ತೆ? T, R, I, G, O, N. You don't have to write O again because O is already written. Even though you repeat the elements, it is the same thing. It doesn't matter. M, E, again T is there. So T is already written. So no need to write. R, and again R is there. So R is already written. Then comes Y. So set E contains all the letters in the word trigonometry. The next one, sixth and the last one, set F equal to the set of all the letters in the word better. So what are the letters in the word better? So F equal to, set F equal to B, E, T, again a T which you don't have to write because already T is written, again E is also written, next letter is R. Hope you understood. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.